Hey, hi guys, welcome to the channel. In this video I'm going to show you this error which is occurring in FileZilla. Here you can see I'm not able to make connection. If I try to make connection, let me show you. Then I'm getting this error which is called connection timed out after 20 seconds of inactivity, could not connect to server. It's trying to connect. Just wait. Okay, we got the error. Here is the error. Now how we can solve this? It's really easy. Just go to the file and then go to the edit and then setting. Inside the setting there is an option which is called this timeout in seconds. You have to increase this number to 90 to between 90 to 200. You can put out any number. Basically this is for the internet connection, and then click OK and let's retry again. Yeah, 22, quick connect, and let's see what happens. There you go, we got this. Okay, and it's connected, so it's really easy. It's just because of your internet connection. Okay, your internet connection is slow, that's why all this was happening. That's all. If you still have any other question, you can ask me on comment sections, or you can ask me on social media. Links will be in description and article regarding this will be in description. Thank you so much for watching. Bye, take care, have a nice day.